Friends, solar renewable energy is on fire in the USA, and I'm excited to share that. Solar is the fastest-growing renewable energy source in the U.S., outpacing wind, geothermal, and hydropower. Recently, the solar industry has experienced significant job growth, where it has added thousands of new positions in the past few years. Planned solar projects are increasing solar capacity at a remarkable pace. As of now, solar energy is the fastest-growing renewable source in the country, with a whopping 75% growth forecast in power generation from 2023 to 2025. This means solar power generation is expected to jump from 163 billion kilowatt-hours back in 2023 to 286 billion kilowatt-hours in 2025. So what's driving this growth? Tax credits and policies. Favorable tax credits and policies, such as the Inflation Reduction Act and the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, are boosting solar energy investments. Declining costs. The cost of solar energy is decreasing, making it more competitive with fossil fuels. Increasing demand. Corporations and governments are setting ambitious renewable energy targets, driving demand for solar energy. The future of solar energy in the USA is very bright. Renewable portfolio standards in 29 jurisdictions of the USA have mandatory renewable portfolio standards, which will require 300 terawatt-hours, hey, that's a heck of a lot, of additional clean electricity by 2030. And as for new jobs, the solar industry is expected to create millions of jobs in the coming years, with a focus on workforce development and training. Overall, solar renewable energy is definitely shining bright in the USA, and its growth is expected to continue in the coming years. So join the revolution. Solar is simply better power for you.